If you wanted to use text call assistant during a call on Samsung Galaxy A57, then once you have the call, once it is ongoing, and if you are in the call menu, then you should be able to easily find the text call option. So we can tap over here and we can start using it. We have a little introduction. We should be able to tap on the type response over here on this field, and then we can keep answering, providing, of course, texts and so on and so forth. So instead of talking to a person, we can just simply quickly type something and they can answer to you normally, and their speech should be converted into a text. Of course, in addition to that, if you want to leave, if you want to switch to a normal call, if you want to start talking, you can use this icon here in the upper left corner. And there we go, we have switched back to a normal voice call. And in case you do not have the text call option available in here, you might need to go to the phone app. Next, we're gonna tap on three dots that are located either here on the right side or in the upper right corner. And then you want to open the settings. And then here in settings, you should be able to find the text call option. But I assume that we actually need to have the call ended before we can actually go in there. But once you actually go in there into the call settings, you should be able to, of course, enable text call or make sure that it is enabled. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.